I'm just going to echo what Brittany and Dan have said and what everyone else in the room, Anne, Barna, and Dr. Gray are also here in the room just representing, you know, the health department in its entirety. You also, Dan, said what I love to echo in any place that we stand about our integrated structure and how important that is and how it gives us this great opportunity to serve the community. And, you know, the health centers itself, the idea of health centers was to be able to provide care for people who are unable to, you know, otherwise have access to care themselves. And we have this opportunity to do that in our community, but then also to provide it to whoever wants to come through our doors, being, you know, and our goal is to be the, what is that expression? Provider of choice? Is that
Provider of choice, premier center of excellence.
Yeah, so, and we're working towards it, and I can say that in the last 3 years or so, as all of you know, we've gone through a lot of changes, a lot of things, and we're certainly getting there. So really excited about the work that all of you are doing. I just want to say thank you for leading in the specific places where you work, as you see patients, as you interact, as you work you know, administratively, whatever it is that you do is super important. Just because one person, you know, talks to a community member versus, you know, sitting behind a computer, all of us come together to put this puzzle together that looks really, really beautiful. So thank you for leading, thank you for serving. And like was already said, we can't do any of this without you. I want to also just appreciate the who we have in the room. So all of you are super important. You are the stars of the day, but we do have our elected officials in here with us, and we have James from Congressman Tom Barrett's office. Thank you so much for.
We're special?
Yes, you are. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming, taking the time, joining us for lunch to celebrate our staff. And Representative Brixey, thank you so much for taking the time with your team. I'm going to invite you over since you wanted to come over.